Hello awesome people, this is Anand and welcome to another Kotlin tutorial. In this video, I will show you guys how to build and run Kotlin application from the command line. So without any further delay, let's start. To be able to run and build Kotlin application from the command line, first we need to download Kotlin compiler. In order to do that, open your web browser and go to Google. Here on the search bar, type Kotlin and press enter. Most probably the first link that pops up will be from kotlinlink.org and that's the correct link. Click on it. If you are not able to find the correct link, then copy and paste this URL in your browser. Once you click on the link, you will see a web page like this. This is the official website for Kotlin. On this page, at the bottom side, you will see a section like this. Here click download compiler. After that, a web page like this will open. Here you can see complete details about how to work with Kotlin compiler. Here see the first section, downloading the compiler. Click on GitHub releases link. Once you click the link, you will see Kotlin release page. On this page, click on the latest Kotlin compiler.zip file. Once you click on it, it will start downloading Kotlin compiler. Once download is done, click on the downloaded zip file and extract the content of zip file to the location you want. After that, you can see a folder like this. This contains the folder Kotlin C. If you open this folder, you can see bin folder inside this. This bin folder contains all the required scripts needed to compile and run Kotlin application. Open this bin folder and click on the top navigation bar. Right click on it and then copy the path. We will need this path later. Now right click on the start menu and go to command prompt. Now type Kotlin C here and press enter. Right now I am getting an error that Kotlin C is not recognized as an internal or external command. I am getting this error because currently Kotlin compiler is not added to the build path. To add Kotlin compiler into path, right click on the start menu and go to system. After that, click on Advanced System Settings and then click on Environment Variables. This will open a simple window where you can set, modify or delete environment variables. Here we need to create a path variable first. But before creating path variable, check if path variable already exists or not. As you can see that in my case, there is already a path variable available. So I just need to edit it. But if you don't find the path variable here, you need to create it. And for that, simply click on the new button and provide variable name and value. For variable name, type path, and for value, paste the Kotlin C bin folder path which we have copied earlier and click OK. Since I already have a path variable available, I am not going to create it, otherwise it will override my previous path variable and that may cause problems for few applications. So I am clicking cancel here. Now I want to edit my existing path variable. To edit it, select path variable and click edit. Now click on the new button and paste the Kotlin C bin folder path which we have copied earlier and then hit OK. Click OK and then again OK. Now right click on the start menu and go to command prompt. Now type here Kotlin C and press enter. Now you can see that I am getting the Kotlin version. That means now I am good to compile and run Kotlin applications from the command line. Okay, so now let's see how to use Kotlin compiler to compile and run application. To demonstrate it, I have already created a Kotlin file hello.kt. Just for information, Kotlin file ends with .kt extension. If I run the dir command here, you can see that I have one Kotlin file hello.kt here. If everything goes correct, we should be able to see hello world message. Don't worry about what is inside hello.kt. I will explain it later. Now type here Kotlin C, which is Kotlin compiler. Then type file name which we want to compile. In our case, it's hello.kt. Then type -include -runtime. This option will make our resulting output runnable by including Kotlin library in it. And finally type -d hello.jar. Here -d option is used to give the resulting output a name. Here we are giving the name hello.jar. It means our resulting compiled output will be called hello.jar. Now press enter. After that, type dir and press enter. This will list down all the files and folders inside the current directory. As you can see, now we have hello.jar inside it. To run this jar file, you can use Java command. On command line, type java -jar hello.jar and press enter. If everything goes correct, you should see the output hello world. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe my channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Till then, keep learning and have a nice day.